We are going to design a magical, shiny pink laptop for Barbie. Look at how sparkly it is going to be. First, let's draw the laptop screen and all the little keys for the keyboard. Don't forget to add beautiful flowers on the sides to make it look extra pretty. Drawing Barbie's laptop is so much fun. It's so exciting to design a computer for a princess. Let's make it perfect. I love sketching all these little black keys. It feels like a real magic keyboard. Barbie will love this laptop. Wow, it is fabulous! I am happy drawing and coloring this magic drawing. Let's draw its eyes. One, two, three. Let's color. Coloring with Barbie pink is my favorite part of the day. It's so bright. Look how beautiful this purple looks. Painting this is like magic. Wow, adding the sky blue color to the screen makes it look so happy. Now white color looks perfect. This laptop has a cute little face. It's smiling at us, girls. Time for the best part. Adding the shiny glitter. It's so sparkly. Yay, our Barbie laptop is all colored and shining. That was so much fun. Thank you for drawing with me today. Girls, don't go away. Click on the next video to see more beautiful and sparkly drawings on our channel. Bye-bye.